show officially started today. We're going to get started with one of our most popular birds.
No photograph. This is video.
Now this is a type of parrot, and it's a type of parrot you have to go down to Australia and the islands surrounding Australia if you want to see this type of parrot out in the
Well, there's no
wild.
Flash.
He's a type of parrot called a cockatoo. More specifically, a person's
Isn't
called
Flash
a
the real issue?
sulfur-crested cockatoo. He's coming from right behind me. I think I already heard his name out there. What's his name, you guys? Coconut. You're exactly right. I think you can tell Coconut is a fan favorite around here. Now, a lot of times when people think about parrots, they think about those incredible vocalizations and even sound copying abilities that so many parrots have, but cockatoos are not the best at copying lots of different sounds. In fact, Coconut is 17 years old, and in all of those years, he's only learned how to copy 3 different sounds. But we'll see if he'll show those off for you today anyways. So the first time you can copy is you can just say hi to everybody. So can you say, hi Coconut? Hi Coconut! Not too bad. He is a very
Hi Dad, say hi.
You can also ask everybody, how are you? How are you?
Hi Mandy.
Not too bad. This last one though is probably the hardest to understand. So I'm going to ask him what he is, and if everything goes according to plan, he should respond with good boy. So we'll see how this goes. What are you? Yeah, maybe you heard it somewhere in there, and all that garble there. Well, I think you can tell from Coconut, cockatoos are not the best at copying lots of different sounds, but instead of doing impressive things with their voices to communicate, cockatoos instead will do crazy things with their bodies in order to communicate with all the other members of their flock. And these birds do live in very large flocks, isn't that right? Yes. Now I'm not talking about 20 birds, not even 200 birds. We're talking about flocks of 2,000 cockatoos, all living in the same place at the same time. But when you have birds like Coconut, who really doesn't have a whole lot of camouflage to blend into his environment, living in such a large flock is a very helpful way to survive. It helps these birds to achieve the ultimate goal. And of course, the ultimate goal for any animal living out in nature is just simply staying alive. And how can I make you finish? Thank you guys very much. Well, we do make it look like Coconut is dancing out here on stage, but all those things he is doing, those are all natural behaviors that a bird like Coconut will use to communicate with all the other members of his flock. And living in such a large flock